So I just discovered this project management tool called Worklenz, and it's packed with features, like it can really streamline teamwork.
Oh, that's interesting. What kind of features are we talking about? Anything that really stood out to you?
Well, it lets you break down projects into smaller tasks, set deadlines, and even track progress. That's wild, right?
Definitely. It sounds pretty versatile. I wonder how it handles collaboration among team members.
Right? You can share files, leave comments, and communicate seamlessly. It's like having a virtual office all in one place.
That's so convenient. I can picture how it makes team dynamics more efficient. What about tracking time? Does it have that feature?
Yes, you can monitor how much time you spend on tasks, which is great for better resource management and billing.
Oh, for sure. It gives a whole new perspective on productivity metrics. I mean, that's super useful for managers.
Exactly. And the reporting feature generates detailed status updates and performance metrics. It's all about transparency.
Wow, that really puts a spotlight on accountability. Who doesn't love a clear view of progress and workload?
Totally. It's fascinating how these tools help with not just management but also motivation. Like seeing progress visually can really boost morale.
I can see that. And speaking of visuals, what tech stack does Worklenz use? Is it built with any popular frameworks?
Oh, great question. It uses React for the front end and TypeScript with Express.js on the back end. Super modern.
Nice. And what's the database look like? Are they running something robust?
Yup, it's built on PostgreSQL. That's a solid choice for data management.
That's a big plus. It sounds like it's built to handle serious workloads. How do you get started with it?
You can run it via Docker, which is recommended for quick setup. It's almost like they made it too easy.
Right? I love that. Docker just simplifies everything. But are there manual installation options too?
Definitely. For those who want to customize their setup, there are steps for manual installation too.
That's really important. Flexibility can be a game changer for developers. And how about integrating storage solutions?
It integrates with MinIO, which is an S3-compatible service. They're giving open-source developers a solid alternative to AWS.
That opens up so many possibilities. Developers can truly choose what fits their needs best.
Right? And everything runs locally too, so you can test it all without much hassle.
That gives me chills. Local testing is such a lifesaver. Security-wise, how does Worklenz handle user data?
They emphasize strong passwords and keeping sensitive files secure. That's crucial for any application.
Absolutely. And they're even using Google Analytics, but it's opt-in, which respects user privacy.
Exactly. It tracks anonymous usage stats, and users can opt out anytime. Very user-friendly.
This is actually kind of exciting. It's like they thought of almost everything a team would need.
Totally. And, what's cool is how it brings public accountability into task management.
Right? It shifts the way teams operate. When everyone can see the project's health, it brings a collaborative spirit.
Exactly. That's the beauty. We're moving towards a more transparent work culture with tools like Worklenz.
And speaking of culture, I'd love to see how teams adapt their dynamics when using such tools.
Yes. Imagine the synergy in a team where everyone has access to the same data and insights.
That's exhilarating. It almost pushes teams to be more proactive and communicative, don't you think?
For sure. It creates an environment where everyone is responsible for success.
This is blowing my mind. The balance of technology and team dynamics is key here.
Absolutely. So if someone wants to explore this tool, they just dive in and start experimenting?
Totally. I can see even small teams making a big impact with Worklenz. It'd be interesting to hear user stories.
Yes, those personal insights could reveal so much about its effectiveness in real-world scenarios.
And that just highlights the human element in tech, how we adapt and change through tools.
Exactly. It's one thing to have technology, but how we use it truly defines our experience.
So what do you think? Could Worklenz redefine how teams operate across different industries?
Definitely. The way it merges project management with collaboration is groundbreaking.
And that's so profound, tech shaping team interactions and productivity.
It really is. What an exciting time to be a part of this shift in how we work together,